Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can use the Snapchat on your PC. So first you have to open up your Snapchat on your PC or browser, which is the snapchat.com. So first you can go to it, and now first you can log into your account. So simply you can click on the login option and log in, and if you don't have an account, then you can simply create an account from your phone, and then you can simply log in from here. After that, now you will see the option of stories. So when you click on it, you will go to the story page where you can see the stories of the many other people. So here you are seeing these are the stories, and these are the stories option. So after that, now you are seeing the spotlight option on the second number. So if you can click on it, now you can go to the spotlights, and here if I go to the chart, so you can also use the chart after you sign in, and here you will see the option of this, and if you click on this icon, and you will redirect to the new page where you can post on Snapchat. So after you log in, you can also post, and if you want to download Snapchat, click on the three dot, go to the save and share. Here you will see the option of open the Snapchat. Just click on the create shortcut, click on the create again, and now the Snapchat shortcut was created onto your desktop. So you can access the Snapchat on your desktop easily by just double clicking on it. After that, just open up your browser and just click on this icon, and you will see the overview option, accounts, and the Snapchat Plus support, and you will see also these other options. And guys, this is how you can use the Snapchat. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it. Also do subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.